The topic is using teaming with other businesses to improve or build your small business. So I'm going to speak from my personal experience, which is the whole I scratch your back, you scratch mine type of thing. And that's one element of it. The other one is experience. So being able to give your service or your product to somebody else and get meaningful feedback on it is incredibly important kind of moving forward. You want to potentially make some small mistakes early on with people that you trust that you can build on and shape and iterate to improve your own product. So those two aspects, right? I think the first one, I scratch your back, you scratch mine, becomes readily apparent when there's so many overlapping aspects of business where just because you've hired my friend doesn't mean that you're not going to turn around and hire me. Most companies don't bring the same person back over and over and over again for an annual offsite or retreat. They bring somebody new and fresh in. And so, yes, if I'm going to do something for an organization, they can turn around and, hey, John, do you know anybody else that can fill in the gaps next year or next offsite or whatnot? And this is how I can work with that company and my friend in both aspects. The other one is, the second one, which is your skill set and improving upon that skill set. Most things that we do, at least in the trade industry, is a perishable skill. If you don't pick up the phone and make these phone calls over and over again, or you don't do workshops over and over again, or you don't see how you act and interact in the virtual environment, you can't just let 6 months pass and then just go and do it. So it's an opportunity to kind of share services and products with other companies and boost one another. You might have a smaller piece of the pie, but the pie is much, much larger and you're getting a lot more for it, a lot more bang for your buck. And then it plays into that whole networking thing that we talked about earlier. So being part of this bigger community that looks out for one another. So definitely important to team with other businesses to grow your small business. I hope you do the same.
Make sure you subscribe, like, and add your question to the comments. We look forward to helping you on your entrepreneurship journey to build a feasible, sustainable, and profitable business. So subscribe, and we will see you once again next week.